thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for northwestern Wabash County. At 6:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Carmel, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Wabash County.
Ooh.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Wabash, Illinois. Here are some.
I already got 2 pending EAS alerts to upload to YouTube, and my phone's about to die, and now this? Good riddance.